Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 1. The Blessed Lord said, "With the mind intent on me, Parth, practicing yoga and taking refuge in me, how thou shalt, without doubt, know me fully, that do thou listen."
Chapter 7, Shloka 1. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Maya Saktamana Partha Yogam Yunjanmadashrayah Asamshayam Samagram Mam Yatha Jnasyasi Tashrunu.
Chapter 7, Shloka 1. A Mahavakya or a sentence which asserts the total identity between the limited jiva and the total Ishvara is called a Mahavakya in Sanskrit. If we have to allocate the 18 chapters of the Gita to the 3 words of the Mahavakya, Tat Tvam Asi, meaning that thou art, then the first 6 chapters can be ascribed to thou, the next 6 chapters to the letter that, and the last 6 chapters to art, which indicates the relationship of identity between that and thou. From this chapter onwards, we will be getting a glimpse of the goal of spirituality. The previous chapters gave us the technique of self-realization through the methods of concentration and meditation. In the last, Lord declared that He is the best meditator who has successfully merged his mind in the nature of the pure consciousness through the path of single-pointed meditation and is dearest to the Lord. Now, Lord explains in this chapter how a limited and mortal mind and intellect of a finite creature can ever embrace and comprehend the entire limitless infinite. Lord Himself clears this doubt. Vedanta deals with this problem and tries to explain how the mind, when made to meditate on the infinite, comes to transcend its own limitations and comes to experience the infinite. Lord Krishna explains the technique of how a meditator, by fixing his integrated mind upon the contemplation of the nature of the self, can come to experience the divine. From this chapter onwards, the term mind should be understood as the integrated mind implicitly obeying the discriminative intellect. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.